Otis, let's see your new haircut. Deb and Tammy did a wonderful job on your hair. Look how cute you look. And Roxy got a bath and grooming today, too. She looks beautiful. Hi, Bailey. Who's in there, Boomer? Who's on the telephone? Who is that, Boomer? Huh? Who is it? Making new friends. There's Boomer, Bailey, and Winslow. Winslow's the new guy today. Who we got over here? There's Miss Molly. Hi, Molly. What a cute tail you've got, Molly. Yes, you're a beautiful girl. Yes, you like sunshine, don't ya? Hi, Miss Kaya. He's just sleeping through all of it. You've got a lot to say today, don't you? Hi, Faith. Yeah, I didn't do it. Faith. You're pretty. Want to show everybody how you like to scratch your butt on a chair? How good you're at it? You are at it? Pretty girl. Faith's pretty girl. Yes, you are. Thank you. Baby. Taking a nap. Are you tired? You must be tired.